Hello everyone. This video will show how to determine the average rate of change of a function over an interval. In the examples that we're going to have, we will be given a graph and we're supposed to determine the average rate of change of a given interval. Please take note that this notation that we have right here, A, B, in interval form are values of x's. So this is an x value, this is another x value. So the formula for the average rate of change is f of b minus f of a over b minus a. To better understand this formula, let's have an example. In this example right here, we're supposed to determine the average rate of change on the interval 1, 3. So again, these are x values. So we're looking for x is 1, so we can put a dot here. And then this, it goes to 3. So this one is 3 right here, so it's going to go down here. So the interval are the x values from 1 to 3. To determine the average rate of change, we're supposed to determine the coordinate for each of these points. So for the first one here, the coordinate for this is 1, 2. Well, this one right here is 3, negative 2. We remember that this one right here is represented as A, and this 3 is represented as B. So we can go ahead and label 1 as our A. This means that this partner right here is our f of A. And this 3 is our B, and its partner is f of B. Now, we are going to use the formula that we just had at the beginning of the video lesson and plug in these values. So what we do right now is we plug these values in. So the average rate of change from 1 to 3 is negative 2. Now, we remember that this negative 2 right here represents the slope of the secant line. So if we draw a line that connects these 2 points here, this line is a secant line, and the slope of this line is negative 2. So we can go ahead and write the interpretation for this. So again, this negative 2 right here is the slope of this secant line that connect these 2 points together. Now let's have another example. At this time, I would encourage you to pause this video and try this problem out on your own. And when you're done, unpause it and check your answer. Okay, so we go over this problem. This 4 right here is our A, and this 6 is our B. So we go ahead and locate these values of x. So we start on 4. So this is our first dot. We go to 6. This is our second dot. And we write their coordinates. So our 4 is A and our 6 is B. So this is our A and this is the B. So that means this is our f of A and this is our f of B. Now we plug it into the equation. So the average rate of change over the interval for 6 is 1. And this represents the slope of the secant line that connects these 2 dots together. Did you get the same answers as this? Good. Perfect. So that is how we determine the average rate of change over an interval given a graph.